फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इजी कुकिंग विद एकता। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आ रही हूँ स्किन prep की वीडियो। Skin prep is very easy. See, when you are aging, you really need certain products, you need certain advice कि आप अपनी स्किन को prep कैसे कर सकते हैं। जो आज मैं आपको products दिखाने वाली हूँ, these are very simple, budget friendly also, and trust me on that, I myself use them. I am not shying of sharing my age on camera just because if I don't share it, आप लोगों को पता ही नहीं लगेगा products का result कैसा है। See, I go for walk about 30 minutes daily. That's without fail. I have 7 to 8 glasses of water. कभी कभी ऊपर नीचे होता है, but in general it's 7 to 8. I love green tea. 3 green teas a day, and then I follow this routine. Simple routine है. Makeup जितना avoid हो सके उतना आप avoid करें. आज भी मैंने makeup नहीं लगाया. I've just used my products. I'm going to show you. The first thing that you need is your under eye cream. So eyes को prep करना is very important because इस area में सबसे ज़्यादा wrinkle आते हैं. बहुत simple products हैं. The first product I have here is काया का ये सीरम है. I'm going to list out all these products in the description box. बहुत पास से नहीं दिखा रही हूँ मैं. So you just need to apply this serum. Very easy. Apply it like this. इस तरह से आप इसको apply करेंगे और apply करने के बाद you're going to use your fingers. Dabbing motion में you're going to dab the serum into your skin. Right? That's the first step. After this, you're going to use any one of the under eye cream. Mine favorite is Olay under eye cream. ये दोनों products को अगर मिला लें, so this is for 1200 bucks. This is for about 600 bucks. Round about 8 महीना चल जाते हैं. Not a bad deal at all. इससे महंगे products लेने की आपको ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. I want to use both the products. अगर आप पहले से experiment करना चाहते हैं, because मैं दोनों products use कर चुकी हूँ. This one is the best out of both of them, but combination it gives you a very good result. The second product that I have is this is Minimalist का सीरम है ये. This is a retinol based serum because anti-aging की जब भी बात होती है retinol based creams आपने बहुत सुना होगा, right? Vitamin C serums आपने बहुत सुना होगा. What I would suggest is use this serum thrice a week and use any other vitamin C based serum thrice a week. इस तरह से combination में आप इसको use करें. अगर आपको बाहर का सीरम नहीं चाहिए, a better idea would be use aloe vera gel, coconut oil and mix and apply. That's it. That would also serve your serum. The third step that you need to do would be your toner. This is very important, I'm telling you. I use Lotus का toner. You can use any other toner. This preps your pores. So अगर आपके open pores हैं, आपको acne का issue है, so mine is a combination skin basically. ऑयली भी हो जाती है, कभी कॉम्बिनेशन भी हो जाती है, बट ठीक है. इफ़ यू हैव अ कॉम्बिनेशन और या फिर ऑयली साइड पे ज़्यादा है, यूज़ अ वाटर बेस्ड toner. It is very good. The fourth step that you should not be missing is your sunscreen. Trust me on that. अगर आपको कुछ और भी यूज़ नहीं करना है, go for your eye serum or under eye cream and sunscreen. I use Lotus का matte gel because of the sun. जो damage skin पे आता है, that actually accumulates here. Pigmentation हो जाता है, freckles हो जाते हैं, so you can avoid. डार्क पैचेस आ जाते हैं. सनस्क्रीन एक्चुअली डिले करता है सबको. आई पर्सनली रिकमेंड यूजिंग अ सनस्क्रीन ओवर 50 SPF. दिस इज लोटस का मैट जेल. अगेन बिकॉज आई मैंशन दिस, माइन इज एन ऑयली स्किन, कभी कॉम्बिनेशन भी हो जाती है, सो आई लाइक दिस मैट जेल. बहुत सारे सनस्क्रीन अवेलेबल हैं मार्केट में. व्हाटएवर यू लाइक, जस्ट अप्लाई इट एंड लीव इट. अगर इसके बाद भी यू फील दैट मॉइस्चराइज करने की नीड आपको लग रही है, because you've already applied so much product, सीरम की वजह से थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चर रहता है, then go for a very light moisturizing cream. Winters में I think you can go for a non-greasy cream like Pond's light weight cream apply करें. Nivea Soft is again a very good cream if you want to go for a elite cream. I've applied Clinique for ages. I've applied Clinique for a very long time. It's very nice though. Expensive. It's very expensive. So go for options जो आप easily explore कर सकें, which are budget friendly also, और आप उसको लगा भी सकें. So step by step process would include, the first thing is prep your eyes. The second thing, go for a serum. The third thing, go for a toner. The fourth thing, go for a sunscreen. And the fifth would be your moisturizer if you feel so. See, no one can reverse age, right? इट्स जस्ट दैट आप प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हो स्किन को, आप रिवर्स बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर सकते हो स्किन को. Go for face yoga. It really helps. I'm going to make one more video on face yoga. There's another one which is already there onto my channel. Do try it out. Face yoga does help. It helps a lot. Besides using products, because थोड़ा skin को भी nutrients की ज़रूरत होती है. You need to eat, you need to apply, you need to exercise, and you need to follow a healthy regime. That's what you need for a healthy skin. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. If you really like the video, please help me grow this channel one more time. Give me a chance. I'll try and bring in content which is more useful. Create lots of food videos, home decor videos. I come up with very random ideas of creating videos. So if you like this concept, do let me know. Do share your comments with me. I'll keep posting such content very often. Bye bye.